Happy Monday and welcome back to OMG & Co., also known as OMG Scrunchie Club, home of the bigger, better scrunchies and statement pieces for the bold. I'm the scrunchie creator, jewelry maker, Lamiel, and today is Monday, and every Monday we launch a special bundle for all of our subscribers and viewers. And this week we have a 3-piece scrunchie bundle. So here it is, check it out. And remember, you can get your scrunchie bundle from omgscrunchieclub.com, home of the bigger, better scrunchies, or you can get your scrunchie bundle from OMG & Co. Same website, just a different name. So let me know what you think and leave a comment down in the comment section down below. See you at the club. Bye-bye.